Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about a couple of things, a couple of use cases. This is going to be for database slash security, and basically what it is we're going to talk about a scenario where a hacker comes in, exfiltrates data out of a database, and they're trying to drop a table, and that table usually be an audit table, so they're basically trying to cover their tracks. What I'll do in this scenario is also highlight the full stream reassembly capability of ExtraHop, which is basically saying how ExtraHop is a stateful device. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to do a global search for the word drop, and I'm going to search over again the entire data center, the entire data set that we've got. And in this case, drop appears only in the database records. I'm going to click that to give us a better view. And we're back to the view that you're used to, looking at the clients, the database server, and the method that's been used, of course, is drop. That's what we're filtering on, and it came up here. You can see the database name. You can also see the SQL statement, and you can also see the user. In addition to that, you can also see, of course, the processing time for these queries and how many bytes were in each one of those transactions. So this is great. You're able to see the user, and you're able to see where they came from what client IP, and what SQL statement they ran against your database. But wouldn't it be great to be able to see exactly what that user was doing prior to dropping that table? And again, thanks to ExtraHop's full stream reassembly, and for ExtraHop being a stateful device, we can add another metric here called flow. And what flow is, it's a unique identifier for every single flow that ExtraHop understands. So a flow is at layer 4. In this case, it's a TCP flow, and on top of that TCP flow, you can have multiple layer 7 conversations. In this instance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter specifically for one of those flows. I'm going to remove my drop filter to be able to see all the other methods. And as you can see, for the same client, same server, you see the different methods here that led up to the drop. And in this case, you can see the actual SQL statements prior to that user doing the drop. As you can see here, they've done a select everything from specific table. They did some inserts, and then they created a table, and then they drop a table. So, with this capability, you're very quickly able to identify what a user has done in an environment, complete audit trail. Again, by mere fact of ExtraHop being a stateful device, keeping track of the flows and what's happening on top of a specific flow. Now you can take this a step further, and if you click on packets, that will take you to the raw packets in case you need them for legal purposes. And very, very quickly, the workflow here, you've got the exact number of packets captured between these two devices for these ports, and you've got your packets right away. So again, it speaks to the power of the workflow that ExtraHop offers. Thank you very much for watching.